Good morning world. My name's not important. That's my solar panel unit that drives the hut, and as you can see I have a few electronic items here and there. That's not the issue which this video is purposed for. What this video is purposed for is I purchased a unit from the internet, an ltc3780, as you can see. Now that I'm switching this unit on, I'm using a power supply of 12 volts at 16.7 amps. A cheapy one, but it works perfectly well. The short leads into, the leads are 20 amps, 25 amps in total. Basically it's going straight through short leads into the unit. Now then, this is the test unit. Now then, I'm switching the unit on. As you can see, the LTC is fired up with my blue light, and here we have my test unit switched on. And as you can see, 0 volts, 12 volts, exactly the same output as what you can see that on my meter is 12 volts, just over 12 volts coming from the power supply, and I have a 12 volt output. Now then, according to the spec, now then, the point for us is this, is that this unit, I say this unit is faulty. The people who sent me say it isn't. They tested it and said it was okay. Now then, as you can see, I have a bulb here, a stop tail car light bulb, which is 21.5 watts. I've connected it together, gives 26 watts total. Now then, when I plug this unit, I'm doing this all with one hand, so bear with me. If I put this unit in, the bulb lights up, as you can see, and my unit is 12 volts, 2.2 amps output, so everything is great there, no problem whatsoever. The problem comes when I plug a 55 watt 12 volt bulb. Now 55 watts at 12 volts should be roughly about 4.5 amps. Now then, I shall plug this unit firstly into a power supply that I know is working perfectly well. Now if I can just get my camera on it, there you go, 12 volts at 4.58 amps, and that's on a 30 volt unit, that's on a 20 volt unit actually, that gives 5 amps. Now that's working perfectly well. The voltage is not dropped and it's doing perfectly. So the same bulb, the same leads as here, and I shall now plug these, or attempt to plug them in. Now as you can see, the bulb is lit up, but hey presto, 4 amps and 9.3 volts. Now then, you'll have to take my word, as they took my word, that this unit is actually on its full current limit. I'll try to show you this without jittering. Alright, now I'm going to turn the unit down. Alright, now as I twist it down, you can see the actual current dropping and the volts dropping as well. I turn the unit back up again to full. The amps come back up again, but the volts still stay at 9.5. They should be 12 volts. I don't understand why. I'm not even going to bother to understand why. I can just take it that the unit isn't working properly, or the specs for this particular unit are completely wrong. You'll have to judge that for yourself, and I'm hoping that the company that sent me this unit, they asked me to send them a video. I tried, but they couldn't view it, so they told me to put it on YouTube, and this is the reason why. So gentlemen, you make your own minds up whether these cheap units are what they're supposed to be. I know you pay cheap, you get cheap, but I would have expected this unit at least to give 8 amps, which it's supposed to do at 80 watts. 80 watts at 12 volts, 6.6 amps, and 130 watts at 12 volts is 10.8 amps. It's not even going anywhere near that without the voltage dropping right off. Now that to me is wrong, and it's useless. Thank you for your attention anyway. I'm not used to doing this. This is the first video I've made, so excuse the jittery and excuse the jittery filmmaking. Obviously I couldn't get a friend to hold the camera for me, so I had to do it myself. Anyway, thank you very much. You make your own minds up. Bye bye.